Welcome to some of Ontario's most beautiful sailing, where we take a weekend cruise around Parry Island. Welcome aboard, Peggy. On the 6th of September, I'm about to do a little voyage for about 2 or 3 days. I've got food, supplies, water, paddleboard, thanks to Renee. I have a cooler and a solar panel is all charging up the batteries and ready to set up. A little bit of drift, the wind. So, let's check the map once more. Looks like our GPS reading is pretty strong. Set up a couple sails while this is on autopilot and simply get ready for a lot of wind. Hopefully, that'll bring me out to maybe Killbear by tonight, see what the winds are like, and take her from there. Welcome on sailing vessel Peggy. Let's see what we can catch for dinner tonight.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover song. Just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hate Spain.
So, for lunch we have hummus, couscous, and pork. My neck might be looking a bit weird. I can't bend it that way. That's the maximum I can bend it that way because I injured it this morning getting out of the boat. So that's kind of awkward, but I've learned to cope with it, and I've taken a break just because of that, and my neck is kind of slowly healing up. So it's as if I pulled a muscle in my neck, and it's causing the other side of my back and all the way down my back to hurt. So we should heal up quick. We'll see. In any case, bon appetit. Where'd the wind go? Here we're at the entrance of Hallett Bay, where I'm gonna spend the night. I love using the autopilot. Just a click of a button and it changes your trajectory. Has an internal compass, and all I gotta do is keep my eyes forward, aware of any obstacles that we're about to hit, and I keep my eye down the middle, make sure I double check with the map or all the local information I've got in my head, which is very little, and the rest is just setting sails and enjoying. Gotta love it. Let's try to catch up tonight. Apparently there's good fishing in this harbor. This moment is a culmination of a whole lot of work. This is what I dreamt about whenever I first got Peggy, whenever I first learned how to sail the 30,000 islands on a run in between islands with the sunset behind me, obviously a western wind. There's nothing quite like it. All the years training, sailing, learning how to sail, and I don't know, it just feels so right. This feels like such a end of summer culmination of all these things I love. So peaceful. No one here. Not a soul. Imagine I cut myself and I bleed out all alone here. officially coming up the Southern Channel, I'd say it's definitely 30 times better than the Thousand Islands. Cheers. It's 5:04 p.m. I timed it pretty perfectly. They opened up the swing bridge and there goes the big barge that's going through. And I'm next in line, so I just snuck in exactly in time. Pretty excited. Or else it'd be a 2-hour wait and I have to wait in that bay over there. And there it goes, it swings back and traffic will pass in about a minute. Good to go. Back in the harbor, we're gonna do the last little bit of navigation using obviously the big old Genoa. Just playing volleyball with some people in town. There's a beautiful sunset behind Peggy. Look at that. Whew. That was a fun game of volleyball. Met a bunch of new locals. Just parked the old boat out here. Got a good anchor. Put all my belongings in this nice watertight dry bag. Swam over, played volleyball for about 2 hours, and life is good. What can I say? Now, just to motor back home. That's all I got. So put on the navigation lights as it's pretty late. And then make it home and onto a nice normal earth bed instead of a watery shakiness. That'll feel nice. Let's go home.